Hello friends, this is Gokul from Gokul Tech, and today with the dataset of the commission details got by each and every agent in a company, we are going to create a Pareto chart. How we are going to create the Pareto chart in step by step, we are going to discuss clearly in this video. So please don't skip any part of this video so that you will not miss any piece of important information. Let's start with the creation of Pareto chart. Before starting to creation of Pareto chart, the very first step we need to do is we need to sort the value on basis which we are creating the Pareto chart from largest to smallest value. So I am going to create this Pareto chart based on the commission values got by agent. So I am going to sort the commission value based on the largest to smallest part. Now I am going to create a cumulative number and cumulative percentage. So this cumulative number and cumulative percentage is used in Pareto chart to get the total number of percentage of the value occurred from the particular agent. So first I am creating the cumulative number. So cumulative number is this one, and the second row will be the addition of my first row and the second row in the commission column, so that it will give me the total sum of value occurred by the agents in the company. So if you see the total value is 23,193, the same value we got at the last, right? Now we have to create the cumulative percentage. Which is equal to this number divided by, you can take the last number which is my cumulative last number of the cumulative, or else you can give the formula which is on the safer side, give sum of my total commission value. Press F4 to lock the cell so that it will not overlap to the next row. And now press Ctrl D to get the values down, change these values into percentage. So now we have done with two steps, which is creation of cumulative number and cumulative percentage. We are going to move this complete chart into complete data into chart part so that we will get the result out of Pareto chart. What are the things we need? We need agent details, commission value, and cumulative percentage. Click on insert and click on recommended charts. You can see it automatically give you the Pareto chart which we need to create. Just click on this and click on OK. So you got our desired chart. And now what I am going to do is I am going to change the complete chart title, which is my Pareto chart, and you can customize it by, you can remove this lines by deleting it, and now we click on this plus button, and if you want you can add the data labels as well. So this will give me the total how much percentage of data we need to get, right? Perfect. And also if I want to format more, click on this form filter to get the filter of each and every agent. I don't want anything, so just press on this format. If you want, you can change the style or else color of the chart. So this will help you to change the color and style of this particular chart. And still, if you want to make any more changes, you can see there is a chart design option which is automatically gets selected. You can do that. I will go to format, and now I am selecting this particular so that your chart area is also clearly visible as a decently. Hope you have understood this creation of Pareto chart clearly. If you have any doubt in this part, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you. Have a great day.